Kaseng san perthei ke besen rob lang ha ka sarkar MDA kaseng BJP ha ka Sngap ar jakateyo kalapan pa ba ka sarkar jala ka de banya kran bha bar ki brio ki basa ha ka Thain Khappud HASHUWA banya pen bet KHATDUH yo pur usam Jong ka jala Meghalaya bar ka jala Assam ha ka be de ba ka ni ka jepen bet pur konat ke sang ma ha ka yeng dor bar ula deb ong ba ki jaya kran ki la poi shi ka bakut bar omla shu ban pen kalaya ki rai haba phai khti ne kani ba el hek mentri ka sarkar jala ulong ba omla ban shime karai ka KHATDUH lada ki nong shong shnong ki basa ki Thain Khappud kim pat hun ya ka jingrai ulong ru balada ki ni ki ar jala kilala ban ab hadu san post na menta kane ayu ki ban ab sakumba saw banai ei ban pin be yo pot usam ubapaka.
Consultation is required. We cannot be make a stop like that without consultation with those people who are residing in the borders, I've told you. So we need our consultation when we have been waited for the last 50 years. What is there to wait for another 5 months? Till the people who are residing there, both the side of the bordering area, should be satisfied. See, this morning, the respected CM, Batidos Khain, has called me regarding this border area. He said, how the government, that is his statement told to me by the CM of the KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council, KHATDUH. He told me the government is not listening. They are so arrogant and very adamant. They are not listening to the CM, they are not listening to the district council. So the district council are the custodian to protect and preserve the right of the tribe and also to protect the land of the people of Meghalaya.
Sir, as a coalition partner, will you take it up with the CM for discussion, sir?
Now, we have already discussed, but if it doesn't need be, we have to. We have to for the sake and the interest of the people of the state.